Hey everybody, the long-awaited father-son build is finally done. Here they both are sitting next to each other. This was the Revell 1962 Impala. You can build it in 3 different ways. Well, here is 2 of the 3 ways. There's the lowrider version, and then the one my dad did, the race car version. So you get 2 complete different looks into it. As you can see in his has got the roll bar and the rear seat deletes in it. Went with the racing tires, all the decals. Mine's got the full interior, the lowrider wheels, and big brake kit. On the back you can see that we used the dull coat. He made his bumpers and that look like aluminum. And on the normal 62 Impalas, on that rear part, it is chrome, but it does have a like a swirl pattern that kind of looks dull. So you can see the rear bumper is chrome and the top part is dull coat. That we just used the old-fashioned version of the Tester's dull coat. Works pretty good. So you can see we did exhaust tips with those wire ferrules. He did his. He did some yellow lights. Looks cool for the racing version. Here you can see the ferrules that I used. So let's do one at a time. We'll do his first. Again, got the steel wheels. He's got the slicks in the back, all sanded up. He dulled the chrome to make it look like aluminum. Got the nice exhaust tips. The rear bumpers all dulled out, and all the cool decals on it. If we look at the bottom, he weathered the bottom, make it look like a good race car. A little bit of dry brushing on there. Some different colors. Engine detail underneath. And under the hood. The interior I wish was a little bit easier to show. We'll see what we can do. You get 2-tone seats. Door cards are 2-tone. Detailed the embroidery on that. You got the tack on the steering column. Got all the gauges in there. You got some little pad right there for the roll bar. And the rear seat delete. Also got the coil and the spark plug wires going. So there's that one. Then for this one, show the interior first. Try to just do a stock brown interior. 2-tone Got the lights in there. There's sun visors. It's got all that. So my wiper just fell off. It's a problem with tacky glue, sometimes it don't hold. But I got the mirror on there and the door handles. Decanted some of that green, put it on the air cleaner. Green spark plug wires. Wired up the battery. Put some wires on the alternator. And then more of a detailed view of the bottom. So there's both of them. Hope you guys like them. This kit was a really good kit. Like I said, there's a whole nother way to do it. There's a stock version. So there's a 3-in-1 kit. You got your custom, your race car, and then that's not shown here, you got your stock. I did do a lot of pictures, so I'm going to add those in at the end. You might get a better look at it than on the video. You can see some of the detail. Let us both know what you guys think, how well you think we did on our father-son build. I think it turned out real well. We took a little extra time on these, trying to make sure they looked really good since they're special. So, hope you guys have a great week. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.